Need a ride? I can take you to any of the hold capitals. Where do you want to go? Climb and back, and we'll be off. Oh, there once was a hero named Ragnar the Red who came riding to right run from old Rorik's.
I've got your back. I'll show you what I know. You lead, I'll follow.
Winterhold belongs to Skyrim.
We need
Imperials,
boys
or
around here,
the maids.
and you're not bringing home any.
And you'd have me do what? Join the college and prance about casting spells?
Imperials think us all lawless beasts.
Don't just walk away
One proof
from
of
me.
their ignorance.
Where do you think you're going?
When the top level was built, no more could be placed. It was... the ice entombs the heart. The bane of Kagrenac and Degolthur. To harness it is to know the fundaments. The Dwemer lockbox hides it from me. The Elder Scroll gives insight deeper than the deep ones, though. I have seen enough to know their fabric. The warp of air, the weft of time. But no, it is not in my possession. Here. Well, here as in this plain, Mundus, Tamriel, nearby. On the cosmological scale, well, it's all nearby. One block lifts the other. Septimus will give what you want, but you must bring him something in return. You see this masterwork of the Dwemer, deep inside their greatest knowings. Septimus is clever among men. Lucky then they left behind their own way of reading. In the depths of Black Reach, one yet lies. Have you heard of Black Reach? Cast upon where Drimmer city slept, the yearning spire hidden learnings kept. Under deep, below the dark, Oftand, the point of puncture, delve to its limits, and Black Reach lies just beyond. But not all can enter there. Only Septimus knows the hidden key to 2 things I have for you. 2 shapes, one edged, one round. The round one for tuning. Dwemer music is soft and subtle, and needed to open their cleverest gates. The edged lexicon for inscribing. To us, a hunk of metal. To the Dwemer, a full library of knowings, but empty. Find Mazark and its sky dome. Trust Septimus. He knows you can know.
got your coin.
I'll bury you!
So much easier to rob when you're dead. Got your back.
Ah! Ah! Oh! Ah! Prepare to die! Ah! 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 Ah!
A new hand touches the beacon. Listen, hear me and obey. A foul darkness has seeped into my temple. A darkness that you will destroy. Return my beacon to Mount Kilcreath, and I will make you the instrument of my cleansing light.
Need some metal hammered? Take a look. Whether it's armor you need or a new blade, come see me.
I own Hollyfrost Farm outside the city. It's honest work, if a bit dull.
I lost my twin sister a while back.
I'd travel
Have you ever
more.
lost anyone
Trinkets, odds and ends, that sort of thing. Thank you. Custom. If you're looking to get a drink, Candlehearth Hall's got warm fires and strong ale.
Fresh fruit and vegetables for sale.
My father says we need to just get on with our lives. Like it's that easy.
Hear my prayers, son of Akatosh, and grant peace to these hearts.
Tell me again why we're wasting time and dwindling resources chasing a legend. We don't even know it exists.
The Jarls are upset. They don't all support you.
Damn the Jarls.
You're alive. I owe Ulfric a drink. I have to admit, I didn't think we'd be seeing you again. I misjudged you. You're definitely Stormcloak material. It's time we made this official. You ready to take the oath? Before you're one of us, you must swear fealty to your... You must also pledge unswerving loyalty to your fellow Stormcloaks, to Skyrim, and... That's the spirit. By swearing this oath, you become one of us, a hero of the people, a true son of Skyrim, a Stormcloak. Repeat after me. I do swear my blood and honor to the service of Ulfric Stormcloak, Jarl of Windhelm and true High King of Skyrim. As Talos is my witness, may this oath bind me to death and beyond. Even to my lord as to my fellow brothers and sisters in arms. All hail the Stormcloaks, the true sons and daughters of Skyrim. Now you're one of us, which means you get to tag along on a little trip with me. Oh, and here. You're a Stormcloak now. You ought to look the part. I have found the final resting place of the Jagged Crown. Can you believe it? Well, I'm almost certain. We're headed to Corvinjune, but if old King Borgus is indeed buried there, we're bound to run into trouble of some kind. Your fellow Stormcloaks are already assembling outside the tomb. I'll meet you there as soon as I'm finished up here. They demand the moot.
And damn the moot! We should risk letting those milk drinkers put Torik's woman on the throne? She'll hand Sky...
Skyrim isn't very friendly for Argonians, so we mostly just keep out of the way. Shavi knows the dock doesn't look nice, but fresh air is good for the gills.
God might get nervous.
Someone there?
A man approaches with his weapon drawn.
Do yours.
I'll have your head.
You won't be able to see tomorrow.
Looking to do some hunting? Avoid Brittleshin Pass. It's southeast of here.
Watch this guy. It's traveling.
And befuddled, stuck here, stuck! My poor mother, unmoving. Oh, poor Cicero is stuck. Can't you see? I was transporting my dear, sweet mother. Well, not her corpse. She's quite dead. I'm taking Mother to a new home, a new crypt, but... Wagon wheel! Damnedest wagon wheel! It broke. Don't you see? Oh, yes! Yes, the kindly stranger can certainly help. Go to the farm, the Lorius farm, just over there, off the road. Talk to Lorius. He has tools. He can help me. But he won't. He refuses. Convince Lorius to fix my wheel. Do that, and poor Cicero will reward you with coin. Gleamy, shiny coin. The farmer is at his farm. Where else would he be? Lorius is his name. Talk to him. Convince him to help poor Cicero.
Oh, for the love of Mara, what now? That Cicero feller? Huh, tell me something I don't know. Crazy fool's already asked me about 5 times. Seems he's not satisfied with my answer. Why can't he just leave us alone? Pay me? You think this is about money? Have you seen the man? He's completely out of his head. A jester here in Skyrim? Ain't been a merry man in these parts for 100 years. And he's transporting some giant box. Says it's a coffin, and he's going to bury his mother. Mother, my eye. You could have anything in there. War contraband, weapons, skooma. Ain't no way I'm getting involved in any of that. What? And just who in Mara's name are you, anyway? Come here, telling me my business. And for what? To help a fool? Look, Yes, you're right. Feller might be nutters, might not. But fact is, he needs help. I turned him away. What kind of a man am I, huh? Look, thanks. And I'm sorry for my unneighborly reaction. If you talk to Cicero, you be sure to tell him I'll be down to help soon.
Poor mother! Her new home seems so very far. You did? He has? Oh, stranger! You have made Cicero so happy, so jubilant and ecstatic, but more, even more, my mother thanks you. Here for your troubles, shiny clinky gold, a few coins for your kind deed, and thank you again.
Hail, hail, hail.
I knew you'd join up. Great news. We'll take back Skyrim together, eh? I'm glad I'll have you beside me in there. This place chills my blood, and I don't care who knows it. These old ruins. My father always told me to stay away from them. Good advice, I'd say. But never mind all that. We've got a job to do, and nothing's going to stand in our way. Hail, Galmar.
What's the situation?
Cold as the inside of an ice wraith. That and some Imperials are camped out around the entrance, staying nice and warm around their fires.
What's the Legion doing here? Damn Imperial spies! Well, should be fun for us at least. They don't seem to know we're here yet. Ready to spill some Imperial blood for Skyrim? That's what I like to hear. Listen up. Those Imperials aren't here by coincidence. Their spies must have found out we know about the crown, and they don't want us to have it. But they won't stand in our way. I know some of you are ex-Legion, and may know men on the other side, but remember this. They are the enemy now, and they will not hesitate to kill you. Keep your wits about you, and watch your shield brothers back. Ulfric Stormcloak is counting on us to bring him back that crown, and that's exactly what we're going to do. Follow me, quickly and quietly now. I want their guts on the ground before they even know we're here.
Oh.
Call yourself a warrior?
I cannot best you.
That's the way I like it. Short and bloody. They never knew what hit them. But do not make the mistake of underestimating the Legion.
Glad you're here.
Plenty of them are Nords, same as us. We had the advantage of surprise this time, but things won't be so easy from here on out. Enough talk. Let's go kill some Imperials. Pick a man and put him down. We attack on my signal. Time to show what you're really made of. For Skyrim! Talos smite you! Greta, Engar, stay and guard the entrance. We don't want any Imperial reinforcements.
Still here. What do you want me to carry? Let's get going then.
Stormcloaks.
I don't like the look of this. Perfect spot for an ambush. 10 to 1, they're just waiting for us on the other side.
But there isn't any other way through.
Oh, you sure about that? Then please, be my guest and go strolling on in there. We'll stay here and watch your back. Not so sure. Oh, then perhaps we should take a moment to look around a little, eh? You there, unblooded. See if you can find another way through. We'll charge in to help as soon as we hear fighting.
Must be the storm.
One the other. I'll enjoy killing you. Careful, boys. There's bound to be more up ahead. Who's there?
Stormcloaks.
We enter back.
What in the nine boots is that?
Where'd you come from?
That's all you've got?
The Hall of Stories. We must begin now.
Oh, I've heard of this.
Would you
They
look
say
at
these
that?
walls show the history of the ancients who built this place.
Too bad we can... Read these carvings. Who knows what's...
Hey, looks like some kind of claw for a statue. I wonder what it's used for. Good job. All right, everyone. Keep your guard up. No telling what we'll find out here. Come on, boys. Let's spread out and see what we've got.
Don't like the looks
Unblooded,
of this.
do what you do best. See if you can find some way to get that gate open. There's got to be some way to get that thing open.
Is that the best you can do?
I've got your back. I'll show you what I know. What do you want me to carry?
You lead, I'll follow.
How's it going, Unblooded? You find anything yet? That's done. All right, boys, let's get moving. Sword. Steady now. It may be uglier than Imperials.
Process.
Let's hope that's the last of them. Come on, let's see what's down this way. Must be around here somewhere. Spread out and keep your eyes open. Come on!
I'm ready, number one.
Quick as you can. Tell Ulfric he owes me a... We'll stick around here for a while and if we can find anything else. Full.
Still here. What do you want me to carry? Let's get going then.
At least we got the damn crown. I hope it was worth it.